Daily dose of internet. Daily dose of internet. Here's a really creepy bird that sounds exactly like a crying baby.
Hey, this is Nico having a temper tantrum, getting ready for a show, and now she just said, "Why are you crying?" Nico, are you done? This is what I go through every day, and people think I have a crying baby out here. I will show you. It's really just Nico. Nico. You are such a baby. Yes, you are. Now people are coming in because you were crying.
I have a question for you guys. Who did this? Who did this?
This man pranked his wife by putting an egg in her mouth while she was asleep.
Полезно яички сырые кушать.
Ты что, больной вообще?
This person grabbed their dog and brought it over to another dog while waiting at a stoplight. This cat is giving this dog a really nice massage. You can own a personal and customizable self-sustaining ecosystem. Here's a cat that has a very flat head. This person made a mechanical wooden whale. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you have a wonderful day and a wonderful life, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Daily dose of internet. These people hit this turkey with their car, and it got stuck in the grill.
Well, I guess I didn't have to use a gun. Oh my god.
So it seems this guy didn't build a very deep burrow.
This plane doesn't need much space to take off. This cat got a little nervous and protective when the baby put their hands over the balcony. In 1979, the Voyager 2 spacecraft captured these images of Jupiter. It's interesting to see how the atmosphere of Jupiter moves. "50% of the population of the United States live in the dark purple areas, and the other 50% live in the light purple areas. So if you go to the USA on Google Maps and zoom all the way in on a random spot, you're almost guaranteed to end up on a farm, forest, or desert. Iceland gets so much snow in the winter that the roads end up looking like this. This person doesn't have the bone that most people have in their nose. As a result, she can squish her nose all the way in. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys. The student asked the teacher a question, but accidentally had a voice changer on and forgot to turn it off.
Okay, any questions before I go on from here? Great. I really understood that well.
This box was in the way of this dog's favorite spot. This rock climber has some incredible strength in his fingers. The ledge is only 6 millimeters thick. Here's a very polite cat. This mother gave her baby a taste of their own medicine. This is what the ultrasound of what a baby elephant looks like inside the mother's womb. Here's someone with a really wide tongue. A passenger captured this incredible video of a plane making contrails. A few weeks ago, Australia removed the mandate of wearing a mask in public. Now people can walk around in crowded places without having to wear a mask. A tortoise is using a device to scratch their itchy shell. The shell of a tortoise has nerve endings, which means they can feel their shell being touched. This deep-sea crab with coral growing on its back decided to jump off this underwater cliff.
Whoa, Throw the parachute out. Oh my god. Where's it going to land?
It is
Oh, maybe that is the parachute.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and a daily dose of internet. These people train their pet duck to play the bongo using its feet. This person went gliding over a mountain in Switzerland. These are striped eel catfish, and they swim together as a giant group to protect themselves from predators. This person broke their phone in a way that created a constant beam of green light, so they turned it into a lightsaber. This guy likes to visit authentic Chinese restaurants and amaze people with his fluent Mandarin.
Ooh, this one. Mushroom with duck flattened. Oh, fish dumpling. 呢個好食定係呢個好食 Ooh, this one. Ooh, this one. Evan, 你要不要过来跟我享受一下？这个真的很好吃。告诉你，收一下，这个真的很好吃。告诉你。
This is a picture of every single full moon from 2019. You will notice how the moon appears to wobble. This is called libration, which shows different parts of the moon during different times of the year. This little tiny house has an organ that's worth over $1 million. The organ is so big that it takes over several rooms in the house.
The owner recently passed away.
He couldn't play, but he wanted an organ in his house, so he had it put in.
We installed this organ in a period of about 5.5 years.
That's in this video. Hopefully you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very soon.